Solid Edge next-generation software modules provide integrated access to today's hottest 3D design technologies, allowing you to visualize and validate your product designs. Working with mesh data is one way to simplify and speed your workflow process. A remesh command allows the redefinition of complex and dense mesh models. This process reduces the file size while maintaining the part shape. This makes working with these parts significantly faster. Any mesh holes that result from the scanning process can easily be closed with the Fill Holes command. Once this is done, the model will automatically be defined as a solid body. Solid Edge has the ability to make mesh models far more useful in the design workflow by automatically recognizing planar and cylindrical surfaces. We can see that here with the color coding on this part. Often when models are scanned, they end up being offset from the part origin. This can be quickly rectified with the new Align command, which provides options to easily manipulate the position of the part. Being aligned to the base coordinate system makes the part far easier to navigate downstream. A Section command allows rapid creation of section sketches through the mesh geometry. This can be very helpful when needing to fully reverse engineer a mesh model, or for when you need to quickly locate key features. Since separate sketches are created, they can be used or controlled independently. A quick modification is required on this part to expand and true up the location holes. Solid Edge makes this process a breeze. Recognized faces can be used as sketch planes, and new sketch geometry can be located using the section sketches. Thanks to Siemens' convergent modeling technology, cuts may be created directly on the mesh model. Convergent modeling allows mesh models to be seamlessly integrated into the design workflow and coexist with regular BREP models. To finish this part, we'll give it some color. As we add this mesh model into an assembly, notice how we can make use of regular assembly relationships. It works and behaves just like a regular part. This allows us to position it in the desired location very easily. To finish up, we can make use of the feature patterns in the lower component to pattern the mesh part into the first fixture. Then, once again, pattern these parts into the other two fixtures. Solid Edge, with game-changing innovations such as convergent modeling and synchronous technology, provides a fast and reliable design process that no one else can match. To learn more about Solid Edge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.